Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. I don't know what I'm gonna title this thing, but somebody called BCK, Box Cake Killer, aka Grilling and Chinning with Killing, because he's gonna love this video. I've had people reach out to me for the past pretty much year. See, if you add regular cake mix and put some lemon pudding in it, it makes the cake amazing. So I had somebody send me this recipe. I call it a poke cake. So what we do, we mix all this together. When I'm supposed to do, I got all this stuff measured out like I said. And then when it come out, you poke holes in it with a, I guess, I'm going to use my steel here. I'm going to use this here. And poke holes in it. And then you pour this glaze on it and let the glaze soak in it. And it's supposed to be one of the best cakes it is. And this is lemon, because I got lemon jello pudding to put in it. So we going to see, y'all. I'm going to see how it comes out. So let me tell you what I have here. Say a regular yellow cake mix. I grabbed Pillsbury. I don't know if this is good or what. They have Duncan Hines. They have, what's the other one? Betty Crocker. Them all the kind. I'll use this one. I like Pillsbury brands. I figured if they make good pie dough, they're going to make good cake mix, right? Lemon pie meat, lemon pudding mix. I got vegetable oil, water, and some eggs. So according to the recipe, y'all, you're supposed to mix the eggs together first. Y'all know I done studied this recipe, but I ain't into it. I ain't got a lot of cake mixes. I do make one cake mix, and you know that's the amazing cakes. But that's just putting, what, one ingredient in there? What is it? Oil and water. So we're going to see if it's better than amazing cakes. All right, y'all. We're going to put our cake mix in there. And we'll put our pudding in there. All right, a box of cake mix. And if any of y'all ever made something like this before, let me know. Other than Kenneth. I know Kenneth made a lot of these. BCK. Probably Janet. Alrighty. Throw that in there. That's a lemon pudding mix. Yeah, I love anything lemon. And we're going to put the oil in there. Vegetable oil. And some water. Alright. Get this mixed up. Alright, y'all. I don't want to overbeat this. I don't want to overbeat it. Throw that in there, get this out the way. And I'm gonna use a bunk pan. I'm gonna use my bunk pan right here. Or my pound cake pan. I'm gonna pour that in there like this. And so. Move this around. And it say 350 degrees, about 30-35 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna come back and we're gonna mix this. I got some icing. I don't know how loose this icing is supposed to be. I guess it's supposed to be pretty loose to make sure it go down in the middle. So we'll be right back to get the icing ready. Be right back. Old school. I wouldn't say old school, but I'm going to name it old school so you can find it. But old school box lemon cake, poke cake. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, I'm going to make the glaze for that. All the glaze is powdered sugar. And then in here I got, well, I'll put the description in the recipe, lemon juice, melted butter, and water. supposed to put it in here to make a glaze. So, according to the recipe, y'all, don't hate on me if it don't come out right, okay? Put all that in there, mix it up. There we go. That's it. That's the glaze like that for it. That's it. And I'm supposed to pour this on there in the little holes when they come out. And that's it. So, how easy is that, huh? How easy is this, I guess? So anyway, we'll be back when the cake come out. And I flip it out. I think I'm gonna put this on there when it's warm after I flip it out. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all. The cake took about 35 minutes, as the recipe suggested. And I'm gonna let it sit here a couple of minutes, 5 minutes or so. Then I got my ice in here. And we're gonna turn it over, poke holes in it. I'm gonna turn it on the other side. Poke holes. Maybe I should poke holes from this side. What y'all think? I don't know which one is better, y'all. On the other side or the front side? I might do it from the front side, y'all. That's what I might do. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna flip it back up and make that. That's what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna poke it from the front side. I'm gonna flip it out and flip it from the front side up. And we're gonna poke it from the front side and let the glaze do it that way. See if it's better. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. All right, y'all. Like I said, y'all, I'm gonna stick some holes in here. This little, use my little, steel here. What it say? Poke little holes in there while it's hot. We're gonna get the ice and just go down in there, I guess. All right, one right here, a couple of here. All righty. Yeah, just pour that ice in right up on top of there, y'all. Let it go like that. It's hot, of course, it'll go down in there, right? That's the plan. That's the plan, y'all. Go down in them holes, and then the rest of it just kind of spread around to the side. This is why I got that butter in there. Kind of helped it along as well. So, yeah. That's it. I'm gonna kind of let that kind of sit up there a little. Then we'll come back, get us a slice of this, y'all. We'll see how good this box cake with this pudding mix is, y'all. I'm curious too, just as y'all curious as y'all are, how good it is. So I like anything lemon. You can give me anything lemon, y'all, and I absolutely love it. I love lemon. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. I'll cut this up and we'll be right back to taste how moist it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Got the cake all cut up here. Not cut up, we got a slice of it off. Look at this, y'all. Okay, looking good. It's kind of moist there. I don't know yet. But you know that icing that's soaked in there a little. I poked it in there, let that icing kind of soak in there. So you know it's going to be very lemony because the cake has lemon pudding in and lemon icing. But enough. Shut up, Chef Jeff, and let's see how good this is. Look at that. You know I'm going to get the one got the icing on it. Look at that. All right, going in. Wow. Not bad. You know it's moist. Oh yeah, definitely moist, y'all. Look at that. I'm not gonna eat this whole cake, y'all, because I'm gonna ruin my supper. But it's very lemony, and I'm impressed what the lemon pudding does to this cake, y'all. I am very impressed. And it's simple, as you see, 4 eggs and water and oil. Cake mix and the pudding mix. Absolutely good. And it tastes just as almost as good as my let me get that last moist piece there. Amazing Cakes. I'm thinking if I take the Amazing Cakes, I'm already thinking. And then so I'm gonna do that. Put some of that pudding mix in it and see what that would take it to the next level. If they don't have a lemon, but they only have vanilla and white. I'm wondering if I could put the vanilla. Hey, I'm already thinking, y'all. Stay tuned for that video. But I might keep this for the holiday, a little quick extra dessert for the holiday. Put this thing together. Hey, who knows? But anyway, you want a quick, easy dessert on a Friday night? Cake of the week? Hey, it's the one right here. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024. Stop wishing, start doing. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed weekend. Love y'all. Bye.